This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
Know what to expect actually, but it's just, I don't know, man. Are you freaking kidding me? But it's just how it is. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mikey, and here my previous video came out where I break down some updates because, as you know, the rules have changed, and to get through the process properly, it's important to keep them in mind. So if you missed that video, I recommend watching it. Okay, so now I'm gonna continue putting this crypto-themed minigame to the test. I'm gonna drop this tiny test amount here, but here's the deal. Here's what I'm gonna do now. This is crucial actually. So I'm gonna select this, okay? Because if it's different, the gaming experience is gonna be totally different. Okay, I'm gonna start playing to here at the top like this. Okay, and like I said, guys, I never expect anything. I'm just having fun here, just like that. And the last one is at the bottom, just like that. And that's just beautiful. I mean, I'm totally enjoying this experience. This gameplay is something, and I'm just having fun here. Yeah, but here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna continue playing here, guys. Give me just a sec. And I wanted to say that I'm just showing my random experience. I'm not a financial advisor, and basically this video is intended for those aged 18 and older. That's just magnificent. That was a hell of an experience, I'll tell you what. I totally enjoyed it, and I guess I'm gonna give it one more go here, just like that. And yeah, I got it. So I'm gonna double check it. So 3 here. Okay, great. And 2 the 2 below, just like that. Looks perfect. Yeah, looks nice. No, I'll tell you right away, this looks nice, and I'm totally enjoying this experience. Okay, guys, so here's the deal. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go back here, and here comes the most crucial part of this video, because like I said, no expectations at all. I have no idea what to expect here, guys, but I'm prepared to any outcome, because I'm just putting things to the test, and basically I don't expect anything. I never expect anything. So I'm gonna drop this thing right here. I'm gonna double check it. Looks good. And yeah, great. So, and while I'm waiting, guys, I wanted to say that here in my channel, sometimes I drop some private promo codes that help to start without anything. But it's important to adjust the settings properly, and I broke it down in my latest video. So, right now, I'm just gonna wait a few more seconds. Nothing so far. I'm gonna try and refresh this thing once again. And come on. Okay, nothing. And like I said, guys, I never expect anything. I'm just putting things to the test, and no expectations at all. I'm ready to any outcome. And I wanted to remind you guys that I'm just showing my random experience, and I'm not a financial advisor and all that kind of stuff. So, right now, I'm just gonna come back. I'm just gonna come back to this thing. Oh, wait a second. Hold on a sec, guys. I'm just gonna come back here, and I'm gonna refresh this thing. I don't know what to expect actually, but it's just, I don't know, man. Are you freaking kidding me? But it's just how it is. I mean, I don't know what to say actually, but it's just, I mean, all the details are here, and it's just, man, crazy.